Are bananas good for weight loss? Bananas are full of nutrients that support the body in different ways. It's no wonder that bananas are packing a lot of potassium, around 375 milligrams per banana. Raising the intake of potacy will help to reduce blood pressure. This essential mineral works along with sodium to regulate the balance of fluid within the body. Research shows that higher intakes and lower body weights are related. The nutrient can also contribute to blood sugar reduction and stabilization. Fiber can help people to feel full longer, reducing the overall calorie they eat. It takes a long time for the body to digest those kinds of fibers so that food absorption can be properly controlled. The banana content of the fibers, which helps with appetite control by keeping you filled for longer, allows for the slow release of glucose into the bloodstream. The sweet taste of the fruit also offers a good way to satisfy your craving for sugar. The carbs are easy to absorb, and provide a great boost to energy before, during or after a training course.